Hey guys, welcome back to my channel LiveWithAdan. So it's a beautiful Wednesday and the sun is shining and I hope all of you guys are doing well. And today we are going to be doing a everyday makeup routine, or you could say get ready with me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So as usual, I have filled in my brows with the Benefit Browsing Duo palette in shade number 4. And of course, I used the darkest shade to fill my brows. And I brushed them out using the Luscious Brow Definer pencil. This is actually a really good thing if you want to fill in your brows, but I don't think that I think it's a bit dark for me. So yeah. So for an everyday makeup routine, I do not like to go with heavy eyes or anything. So we have just filled in our brows and primed our lids, and we've set the concealer around our brows so that when I do this, it does not crease. So we're gonna just quickly moisturize our face, and I have the Nivea cream. It's a little bit thicker. And yeah, because this is a moisturizer for face, the body, hands, and free of preservatives. So I'm just taking that much, and God, just going to rub that in. No, the concealer that I put on will come off. No. It's okay, we'll not apply it near the brows. I might have to prime my lids again, but for now it's completely fine. So now we're just going to quickly put on not a lot of foundation, just a little bit of foundation, so that we get that minimal coverage with the Miss Rose Purely Natural Foundation in shade Beige Tree. Just gonna take a bit on this. Actually, I'm just gonna put on my finger and then apply it with my finger. So just taking that much because I don't want a lot of coverage. Going for very minimal coverage, and that's why I'm just gonna put on very less onto my thing. So I like my face to look glowy. So I think I forgot to add the Revolution highlighter, so I think I'll just apply a little bit onto my face. So my foundation is looking really glowy, and I like that my skin is looking glowy because I like to look fresh, glowy, and bedazzly. So next I'm going to go into the Miss Rose Concealer, Beige 3 as always. Just going to apply that underneath my eyes. And I think I'm not going to be highlighting my face. Let's see. So I was up to what I want. No, let's just go for it. I'm just going to blend that out. Ooh. Comment down below if you guys want me to do another very colorful makeup look with this palette, because this palette is stunning. God, that looks horrible. Why am I so bad at this? There we go. You know, if you use it every day, it's not bad. This concealer is not bad for an everyday usage. But obviously, if you're going for weddings and stuff, I would not recommend this concealer. God. Please blend out properly. There we go. It's not looking bad anymore. No. I'm gonna go in with this because I think it has some powder from my old powder. However, I'm gonna set my under eyes to see if it makes a difference. Okay. Just gonna blend that out and go around here. Okay, there we go. It's not looking bad, it's not looking good either, but let's just go with it. So yeah, now that we have that going on, God, I do not like to go with eyeliner at all because, well, it's not a very good look when you're sitting at home and stuff. I like to go in with my Rimmel Scandal Eyes Wow Wing Mascara. And I like to put on a lot of this. This just keeps on falling. Like, what? Why? Ooh. My lashes are looking extra long today. That's weird. Can you see that? Like, look at the difference. Like, it never wants to look long. My lashes never like to look long. Oh my God, I'm ruining it because I'm going on with so much mascara. God, can you see the difference? Despite all of the mascara I've got on my eye, I'm gonna wait for that to dry and then I'm just gonna flick it off with a Q-tip or something. But can you see the difference? Like, and then that, like, wow. I never thought that my mascara could do that. Let's see if it does the same for this eye. Ouch, I hurt myself. So it's going long, but this eye just looks perfectly long. I don't know what's happening, but I'm going to tell you that my lashes look extra long. Ouch. Because of the mascara on my eye, I do not want to blink or anything. So now for blush. So there are two options I like to do for my blush. I like to go in with the Miss Rose mini blush in shade 5 margin, or I know this is weird, don't come bashing at me or anything. I really like to go in with a matte lip cream and just blend that out. So I think we're gonna do this because I want to show you guys how good it looks. So I've got, oh my god, can I take it off now? No, that just made it worse. It's okay. I'll cover it up with concealer. Ignore that. Oh my god, I got it on my hand. So I've got it in the shade Istanbul. And you just want to load up your thing, and please don't bash me over this. I just like to do that. And because these are matte, I like to quickly go in with this and see? I like it so much because it just makes me look extra. And I don't contour, so I pull my blush quite far. Oh my god, this is finished. My favorite matte lip cream is nearly finished. I have two favorites, and oh god, I think no. I'm gonna go with a damp beauty blender, well, because it's damp. Well, I did let it set. I'm just gonna apply a little more on this cheek to make me look extra pinky. Because I like that flushed look when I'm on everyday thing. I don't know what's wrong with this beauty sponge, but it keeps on falling. Oh, can you be quick? And that is this. Then I quickly like to highlight. It's not compulsory that you highlight, but I like to highlight because this, the face contour kit by Lashes, has such a subtle highlighter. I'm gonna go in with that because, well, it's an everyday makeup look, gals. It does not have to look like you have a ton of makeup on your face. So yeah. Okay. Have to apply it here, and then yeah. Then I like to take a brush, this flat brush. I like to go into the highlighter and apply it on my brow bone. Okay, I think I'm gonna prime this lid one more time. Oh my god, this concealer is nearly finished. And guys, it is my favorite concealer. I do not want to lie with you guys. I just do. Okay. There we go. And then I go in with any skin toned eyeshadow, and I said that because I don't want to have two big blobs of concealer on my face in a while. Then of course I'm gonna go into the Istanbul, the same NYX matte lip cream that I was using, and I'm just gonna go. All my NYX lip creams are nearly finished. Ooh, that has a little hair on it. Matte NYX lip creams are finished, so. Look at that, guys. So this is my everyday makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Turn those bell notifications on. Until next time, bye.